Alright, so another laboratory activity again. Good day, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ngayon, ang task naman natin ay gumawa ng function wherein we will gonna classify the age of a person. Okay? So, as simple as that. Same lang sa ginawa natin nung una, which is yung sa grade. So, ito naman, age naman ang ka-classify natin. Okay. And yun. Let's start. So, task, write a function, okay, that categorizes a person based on their age using an if, elif, else structure. So, same lang doon sa ginawa natin nung una, yung sa grade, okay? The function, okay, name, classify, age. Ito yung main function natin. Define. We'll take an age as input and classify individuals into 4 groups, okay? Child ranges from 0 to 12 years, okay? Teen, 13 to 19 years old. Adult, 20 to 64 years old. And senior, 65 plus years old. If an invalid age or negative number is entered, the function, okay, should print an appropriate message. Students will call this function multiple times with different age values, okay, to observe how the program categorizes different individuals. Okay, so for example, calling classify age 8 years old, okay, should print you are a child, while classify age 70 years old should print you are a senior. Okay, so kung mapapansin natin, yun nga, same lang sa ginawa natin nung una sa grade. So, yun. Pumunta na tayo sa ano natin, sa Python. Okay? So, yun lang, same. Same process, same procedure. So, define, sabi, classify, age, okay? Age. Enter. So, gagamit ulit tayo ng if, elif, and else statements. So, let's start from if, okay? Age, yung sabi ko ulit, 0. Okay. Lahat ng values na negative numbers, okay, ay magpiprint ng invalid age. Kasi wala namang age na negative. Lahat pa pataas ng pataas, okay? Age. Sabi natin age cannot be negative. Okay? And next naman natin daw is elif age double equal 0. Alright? So, dito, sinasabi naman na yung age kapag ang value niya daw is 0 mismo, 0, magpiprint na, syempre, there is no age, 0. Obvious naman. Wala namang taon na 0. Lahat magumpisa sa 1 after ng months old. Okay? Tapos, elif, okay? Age less than equal 12, okay? Equal 12. Alright? So, ito, less than naman kasi mag-stop tayo sa 12 and hanggang pointed left hanggang 0. So, 0 to 12 years old should be you are a child. Alright? Gets? Okay. Elif, age naman tayo. Yung sabi is 19. So kung saan nag-stop yung una nating elif, which is 12. So, 12 to 19 ay you are 18. Okay? Mga teenagers. Elif ulit natin, sabi sa task. Okay? 64 naman. Okay? So, from 20, okay, not included ng 19, so 20 na tayo mag-umpisa, ranges from 64 years old. Syempre, ayan na ang adult. Alright. Tas, ayun, yung last at na nasa task, which is 64 plus above daw. So, ayun na yung magiging else natin. Kasi dito na tayo magtatapos, okay? So, print 64 plus years old, you are a senior. So, ayun, tapos na agad tayo. So, proceed na tayo sa running the program. So, ayun, magano na tayo ng age. So, let's say, classify age 8 years old na nasa task. Okay? Damihan pa natin. Age 15 years old. Classify age 30. Okay? Classify, let's say, let's try negative 5. So, ayun, 4 lang para mas mabilis. And proceed na tayo sa run. Wait, ayusin ko. Okay. Kapag i-run na natin siya, ganito yung mangyayari. Oh, ayun. Sa, tapat ng 8 years old, sinabi niya rito, you are a child. Okay. Sa 15 years old, you are a teen. Sa 30 years old, you are an adult. Tapos sa negative 5, invalid age. Kasi wala namang negative values na taon. Okay? So, that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. Okay? So, ganun lang kadali. And hope to see you on my next video tutorial.